Good morning, children. Welcome to online class. This is Sheila, your computer application teacher. In last class, we saw what is computer networks, what is an internet, and the growth of internet, isn't it? And also, we saw the benefits of using your networks. Now, let us see how the network. Good morning, children. Welcome to online class. This is Sheila, your computer application teacher. In last class, we saw what is computer networks, what is an internet, and the growth of internet, isn't it? And also we saw the benefits of using your networks. Now let us see how the network is used in business. See, for any successful business operations, we need communication. Such communication should be very powerful, and it must be very clear enough, and it must be faster enough to reach the other person, such that what happens, the business can be established in a great way, right? The business is not going to be between two houses, or it is not going to be between two states. It is going to be between two nations. Many companies are going to be combined together in a business, isn't it? For such a case, what do we need? We need network. For any business interaction, we need networks. See, your computer networks were faster, such that the internet became full strength, and wireless communication has been transformed the way of business performed. Yes, isn't it? Even using your mobile phone in your hand, you people are able to book something which is available somewhere away, far away, isn't it? It is possible only through your internet. So, by the usage of your latest technologies such as cloud computing, what happens is you need not be scared of the security problems, and you need not be scared of the users limitations, because multiple users can use your internet, can use the network in an efficient way. Yes or no? See, even in your live session, n number of students can be combined together to attend a session, isn't it? Even 100 students is possible. It is possible. The same way, n number of people will be communicating, will be using internet in a second. In a second, even millions of people will be using internet. But still, though internet is going to be a common one, what happens? It is not going to create any problems. It is going to be faster enough to reach the people. Here via internet, through internet conversations, internet conversations actually happens very faster. The decision can be made very faster, such that it saves a lot of time. See, what happens is nowadays the conference, even the conference is going to take place only in a video call, such that what happens, it is not going to consume such a lot of time as well, isn't it? It is just going to happen in seconds. You need not travel from one country to the other. Even it is possible from your place itself, such that what happens, it saves a lot of time, it saves a lot of money as well. Here we say time is money in your business. On the way of e-banking, we already have seen that we can pay or receive money from or to the customer. It may be done easily via online payment. Yes or no? Through e-banking. E-banking is when we get products from online, we are able to pay the money through the internet itself, isn't it? We are not going to the market to get something. Yes. Here, any type of business is might large or small scale. They are business to customer, business to business, business to government, customer to business, customer to customer, customer to government, government to business, and government to customer, government to government. These are the types of business that is actually available. See, using the internet, using networking, what happens is any marketing that we do is going to be very cheaper. We are not going to go to the market to buy any products, isn't it? So what happens? The product that we are going to get, it is not going to have any intermediates. Yes, and it is going to be very, very cheap. You can reach the customer who is in need of product very soon. Yes, company renewals, let it be company renewals, let it be the license or any other certificates, bill payments, receipts, invoice, stock maintenance, it can be done without any geographical boundaries. It can be done via internet itself. You need not travel to any place. Government subsidies were available for the business to promote their business by digitalization. Everything is available in the internet. Yes or no? Let it be even government approving things, e-certificates, government certificates, even everything is available via internet itself. Right? Direct human interactions are reduced because of the internet. Even working environment is also shrinking. Shrinking means what? Reducing. Buyers directly purchase any products from the manufacturer with lower cost. Middle person brokerage is reduced. Above is possible if we are in use of internet. Networks at home. Nowadays, on this current situation, our entire home became networked instead of individual network. Yes or no? Everybody are using Wi-Fi. From that, everybody are connecting, isn't it? On this home, network gaming and entertainment was very much needed for both parent and the children's network at home. In a group of devices such as computers are connected, mobiles are connected, speakers, camera, game systems and printer that connect via network with each other. Networks at home were connected in two ways. One is going to be wired, the other one is going to be wireless. Wired system is connected with network cable. For example, your speakers, your CCTV camera, your printers, outdoor scanners, etc. are connected with cables. What about wireless network? It is devices like tablets, your tab, indoor cameras, e-book readers are connected. Even Wi-Fi is connected without cables. This is an example for your network in business. One is going to be your headquarter, which is actually connected to your branch offices. Network at home actually plays a main role to access all such e-banking, e-governing, e-learning, e-health, telemedicine, call centers, video conferencing, digitalization of memories can easy to access and use by avoiding lot of time stacked at queue. See, from home itself, we are able to use anything and everything. Let it be e-banking, let it be e-learning. E-governance means if I'm going to, if I wanted any certificates, right? Say for example, if I wanted to claim for a birth certificate, it is possible via e-governance itself. If a parent who stayed alone without their children, they can serve their parents all via through internet, from food to medicine. It is actually possible. See, if parents are staying somewhere and if children are staying somewhere, children are grown-up children, what the children can do is, if the parents are going to be too old, even from far a distance, these people can provide food to medicine. Actually, this is something which is actually pathetic, but internet has produced such situations, isn't it? Using this, you can achieve, you can send even foods to your parents, but it is not going to give a touchy feel, however, isn't it? But internet has brought all such services. Here, an e-market or by online shopping, we can get from toothpaste to car. All the traveling tickets and services can be done easier via internet and computer networking. See, you don't need any geographical things. You need not travel. Nothing can separate this internet. From home, we can order food from various hotels, restaurants without any time delay. You need not travel from here. If I wanted food which is very tastier and it is available in some other restaurant, even I can book from here and I can order it. Right? It is possible only now, isn't it? Now let us move on to the next topic, mobile network. Mobile network is a network connecting devices without cable. Mobile computers such as your laptops, Your tab and handheld computers were fast growing segments. At land area network was distributed as cells, each will be served by single location transceiver, but generally these cell sites are a base transceiver station. Children, generally your cells will be like this. This actually represents each and every area. You know, each and every cell, for each and every cell, this cell, this part is going to be an area. Say for example, it can be a Danish school, Kambarnagar also. Fine. Here you will have a base transceiver. This transceiver will be providing signal the whole of this area. Can you follow me? And after from here, if a person is traveling to the other cell, there will be a base transceiver here, and this transceiver will be providing signal to this part. Yes, and here as well. So what happens? For each and every cell, you will have base transceivers. From one location, you can move to the other location. Is that clear, children? Why it is not being represented in circles and it is represented in this structure? You know why? It is because it will not leave any area left. Your transceiver will be reached every places. For that only we use this structure. Fine. When we travel from one location to the other, the signal may get cut, right? See, you will be traveling, you will be talking over a phone. Yes, sometimes the signal gets cut. Whereas, sometimes when you were traveling, what happens is, from one area to the other, if you are traveling, you will have base transceivers. You will have seen a big tower standing, right? That is going to be a transceiver actually. It will cover a certain location alone. So, once when it is going to travel from that location to the other, there will be another transceiver which is actually going to take over your signal. That is actually called as handoff signal. That is what is called as what? Handoff signal. That clear, children? Handoff. At land area network was distributed as cells, and each will be served by a single location transceiver, but generally 3 cell sites or a base transceiver station. These base station provides the cell with network coverage and other features that can be utilized for transmission of voice, data and other content as well. Joining together all radio coverage is called wide geographical area. This portable transceivers is used to communicate with one another with fixed transceivers and moving via more than one cell during transmission. For example, mobile, tab, pagers, laptops engaged with mobile broadband, just like modems, etc. See, when you are traveling from one location to the other, what happens is once the one base transceiver will be handing off the signal to the other base transceiver, such that what happens is even when you are moving from one location to the other, the call will not be cut. You might be watching some movies online, or you might be talking in a video call. So as you are talking and you are traveling, what happens is the call will not be cut even if you are traveling from one place to the other. Now let us see the features of mobile network. Less consumption of power is used by mobile devices comparing with a single transmitter or satellite, often cell towers which were nearer. Huge capacity than a large transmitter at single frequency can be used for different or many links as long as they are different in cells. Covering large area than a single transmitter. We can add more towers indefinitely and cannot be limited by any horizon limits. Probably all telecommunication providers had developed data and voice cellular networks for the whole land area of the earth. From this, it allows mobile phones and computing devices were connected to the public switched telephone network. Private cellular networks can be used at various locations like research and other large organizations and small industries likely as public safety agencies. Even though all the service provider giving internet cannot make a reach to all, after a reach of mobile, it makes all the access of internet via mobile or cellular phones reaches the network easier to access. Wherever we go, we can access. For example, one businessman wants to travel his office, by transport for an hour. On that time, he cannot have connectivity to office or home, but via this mobile network he can stay in touch with this by this mobile. By searching some important points, checking mail can be done. Watching the progress can be easier on this way. Computer knowledge not necessary to easily access the internet via mobile network here. What did they say here? See, any telecommunication providers, yes, any service providers it can be. It has developed data and voice cellular networks from any area. What happens from any area of this land, of this earth, you can use your mobile phone, you can talk to anyone, you can use your internet. That such facility is actually available now, isn't it? Let it be a private organization or small industries, yes, anybody and everybody started using internet. See, after the mobile phone has started its existence, after smartphone availability, after smartphone has started using internet, what happened is, even if a person wanted to travel 1 hour to his office, what he can do is, he can 1 hour to his office, he can just have a contact, he can just check, he can surf his mail, he can check the progress of what is actually happening in the organization, just like that, from one place itself. Even in that hour, he need not wait for things to happen. It is because this internet has got its existence so well after the existence of your mobile phones. Let us move on to the next topic, social application. See, now what happens is, WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, blog, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Classmates are available nowadays for people to communicate with others. Yes, how it is actually happening without internet? Is that possible? No, it is not possible, isn't it? See, so what happens is, after the existence of your internet, the social communication has started faster, is very fast nowadays. Yes, let it be Facebook. What can we do with the Facebook? You can communicate with people from very long distance as well, from one country to the other. That such interaction is possible nowadays because of the existence of internet. Membership. Social nets all generally requires user to register their names and accounts to avoid duplication and secrecy. Anybody who's having account in your Facebook, account in your Instagram, account in Twitter and so on, what happens? You will have a membership, right? Without your user account, you cannot get into it. You cannot log into other users as well. With your user ID, you can log in, isn't it? See, so in this, they never ask you for your private details like your bank account, yes, your ID proof, all this they never ask you. Your private details are always secret only. Next is content contribution. These networks allow the members to easily share comments, easily share the movies, music, short films or photos with others. Frequent return visits. Healthy social net takes a center around a base of members who check in regularity to contribute theirs and also for new updates. Human relationship building. See, these are the advantages that is actually available in your social communication. The common goal of most social network is allowing interaction that builds stronger connection within communities of people. Usefulness. What are the benefits of using social network? Group information sharing over long distances. See, one will be in US, the other will be in UK, what happens? You will be in India and you three can chat, isn't it? Through your social media. Broadcast announcements. Cities can more comfort to spread word of emergencies and natural calamities. Venues and local shops can advertise upcoming events on social networks. Yes or no? Yes, isn't it? Whatever it is. See, here in Australia there is a fire. There happened a fire disaster. There is a famine here. All this information can be updated then and there, just like that, isn't it? And if a new shop is going to be opened somewhere, even that advertisement can be given in your media. Business able to market their products to customers, fostering diversity of thoughts. Some critics of social networks point out that online communities attract people by similar interests and backgrounds. Indeed, when the people with different opinions do get together on online, many discussions seem to degenerate into personal attacks and so-called flame wars. Yes or no? You people would have seen Ajit fans and Vijay fans making such a big argument in the social media. Yes or no? All this happens, isn't it? So it can be argued by online debates and healthy in a long run. Although individuals may begin with more extreme views, over time their thinking gets influenced by the comments of others, at least to some extent. Yes, children, with this your lesson just gets over. Write your 2 marks, 3 marks, 5 marks in your classwork notebook. Submit it on Wednesday without fail. Thank you, children.